Do you think it is possible to fit all these 7 parts inside this box? I'll show you how it's done. The name of this puzzle is Communication Box. It was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Rombol. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle, as I mentioned, to fit all the parts inside the box. If you like this puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos about puzzles. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. The solution is quite interesting and it is difficult to find it. So what you have to do is to try to solve the puzzle outside the box first. So what you have to do is to imagine that these 3 parts will be the last you put inside the box. They will be put like that. So now you have to figure out the way how to fit the space below them. So let's see how it can be done. So you have to grab one of the U-shaped parts and another one goes inside of it. Then this piece will go on top, this one on top, and then 3 on top of those. And that's how you fit all of them inside the box. But now we have to put them in, and that will be a little bit difficult since you will start solving the puzzle by putting this piece inside. It goes all the way down and you have to slide it to the middle of the box. Then you grab this piece, put it down, then slide it to the left and drop it all the way down. And now the piece that you put first has to go inside of the second piece. Now you have to grab one of these parts, put it in all the way to the right and just drop all the way down. Then the other one goes exactly the same way. You just put it inside, slide to the right, but make sure that it doesn't rotate since you will ruin the solution, and just drop it down. And now we have only 3 parts. They are easy to fit inside. 1, 2, and then the 3rd piece. And that is how you solve the communication box. Quite an interesting puzzle with a very clever solution. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Dr. Volker Latusek, go to puzzlemaster.ca.